deep and inhale, look down, go back and deep. Exhale, keep all the way up, keep higher as you can. We're close together. That's good. If you put the tap on your chest, on your knees, you can stay more longer or breathe right below.